Salams and hello there. Thanks for checking out another Eats Meets West recipe. This time I have a perfect pocket of perfection to share with you. As I work on this video, it is the month of Ramadan, when Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset as a way to increase their spiritual strength. Turns out this is also really good for you physically, and the recipe today is great for that early morning meal that kickstarts the fast called suhoor, aka breakfast. My version of Zanzibari pizza, which is also a really popular street food in East Africa, is simple to make with puffy paratha, flavorful meat, veggies, and egg. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients that I will use to make this breakfast pizza pocket. It's a fantastic time saver to use frozen paratha dough, especially in the morning, and you can easily find this at any Indian grocery store. The ground meat mixture I use can easily be replaced with any protein you like, but this is traditional and super delicious. I'll link to the recipe for my meat mixture in the description box below because I show you how to make this in my lasagna video. The only difference is you stop cooking the meat right before you add the tomato basil sauce. It's very versatile to make in advance and use for something like this. I also use chopped tomatoes, seeds removed, onions, peppers, and cilantro, and I use shredded pepper jack cheese, and of course, eggs. I thaw the paratha dough slightly. Spray some oil on the surface before placing the paratha dough right on it. Then I just spread it out in a squarish shape with my hands. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want the shape not to be circular. Then take a couple of tablespoons of the beef and place it in the center of the dough. Add the chopped onion, tomato, and pepper. Sprinkle some cheese over the top and just flatten the ingredients with your hands. Try to create a shallow well in the center for the egg later on. Fold the sides of the paratha around to form a squarish pocket like so, and crack an egg directly into the center of the dough. This is so much fun and really great to do with your kids. If you liked the video so far, please give it a like. Thanks. Finish by sprinkling some salt and pepper and the chopped cilantro on top. Heat up a nonstick pan on medium to medium-low heat, preferably one with a flat surface, and place the pizza pocket on top. I find it best to use a greased bench scraper to scoop it up off the counter and place it on the pan. Sprinkle some oil around the pocket and cook for a few minutes until the crust begins to brown a little. Then cover it for 3 to 5 minutes for the egg to become stable before flipping it over. Traditionally, the egg is cooked through, but if you don't prefer that, cook it for less time. It really depends on your stove and your preference. When the egg is stable enough, brown the sides before removing it and cutting it into small squares before enjoying. I actually made this for dinner one night, and these were so delicious. Everyone was really happy to eat my version of Zanzibari pizza. This is decadent, but full of healthy ingredients, and it will sustain you for your fast if you're making this for suhoor. You might make this again for iftar. It's that good. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you try this out and let me know how it turns out in the comments. As usual, recipe details are in the description box below. Thanks for sticking around till the end, friends. With